Soil investigation is a crucial step in the construction and design process of any infrastructure project. It involves the assessment and analysis of the soil properties at a specific site to determine its suitability for construction purposes. One such area in Delhi that requires thorough soil investigation is Chattarpur. Chattarpur, located in the southern part of Delhi, has seen rapid urbanization and infrastructural development over the years. Hence, conducting a soil investigation in Chattarpur becomes essential to ensure the safety and durability of any construction project in the area. The soil investigation in Chattarpur helps in understanding the geological structure and composition of the soil. It involves various techniques and methods to gather information about the soil's physical and chemical properties, such as its bearing capacity, shear strength, permeability, and moisture content. These factors play a significant role in determining the stability and suitability of the soil for different types of construction projects. One of the key aspects of soil investigation in Chattarpur is determining the SCON design. The SCON design refers to the structural component or foundation system that supports a building or any other structure. It is designed based on the soil investigation findings to ensure that the structure can withstand the loads imposed on it and maintain its stability over time. The SCON design takes into account factors such as the soil type, depth, and bearing capacity to determine the appropriate type and size of foundation required for the project. Delhi, being a densely populated metropolitan city, requires careful consideration when it comes to soil investigation and SCON design. The city's soil composition varies across different areas, including Chattarpur. Therefore, conducting a thorough soil investigation is crucial to identify any potential issues or challenges that may arise during construction. Soil investigation is an essential step in any construction project, especially when it comes to designing structures in Chattarpur, Delhi. Chattarpur is known for its diverse soil composition, which poses unique challenges for engineers and architects. To ensure the stability and durability of any structure in this area, a thorough soil investigation in Chattarpur is crucial. During a soil investigation in Chattarpur, various tests are conducted to determine the properties and characteristics of the soil. These tests include the determination of moisture content, density, compaction, shear strength, and permeability. The results of these tests provide valuable information that helps in making informed decisions regarding the design and construction of foundations and other structural components. When it comes to SCON design in Chattarpur, the findings of a soil investigation play a significant role. SCON stands for Soil Cement Composite, which is a composite material made by mixing soil, cement, and water. This material is widely used in the construction industry due to its durability and cost-effectiveness. However, the success of SCON design relies heavily on the properties of the soil. The soil investigation in Chattarpur helps determine the suitability